Hi everyone, I'm Frank. Vibe coding is getting really popular right now and it is really good to use. We can simply describe what we want and see the code appears. But once we use it a lot, we'll find out they will start hard coding very easily and we will never know what happens. And I'll show you a debugging technique that changed how I work with AI coding tools. The game itself is pretty easy. We will think of a word and the LLM will ask 20 questions and we can only answer yes or no. Then it will guess the word we are thinking of. First, I need to write a really detailed prompt. And I mean really detailed because we don't want the AI to misunderstand what we think. So here is what I'm asking for. I want a 20 questions game with clean UI with yes, no, maybe buttons, integrating with Keywords AI to use different models like GPT-4o Mini, Claude Haiku, or Gemini Flash. Smarter question strategy that starts broad and gets specific, and a proper file structure with everything organized. The key here is we will send it the Keywords AI documentation, which is the tool that helps us to set up the prompt and the LM calls. We will see if we can set up this correctly. Alright, let's fire this up in Trae IDE Solo. I'm giving it my existing simple web page and asking it to add the 20 questions game. Look at this. So it's starting running right now. It's creating a whole product requirements documentation first. This is actually pretty smart systematic thinking that I didn't see in some other IDEs like Cursor. After waiting about 10 minutes, it's done. Let's check this out. Okay, cool, so we can see the game added to my landing page. I actually asked for it in the nav bar and it's more like a main feature, but whatever, it works. So let's try these games. Great, let's choose GPT-4o. Oh wait, seems like we cannot start the game. So we should ask the IDE to fix this. Great, after a few minutes, it seems to fix and it's working. Let's try out a few times with the questions. Okay, so something feels suspicious here because I'm getting questions right here, but I haven't set up any prompts in Keywords AI yet. So where is this questions coming from? Let's check the Keywords AI dashboard. This is exactly what I suspected. There are actually no API calls happening. This thing is just hard coding questions instead of actually using the LLM. So this is where the observability tools become your friends, because with Keywords AI, I can see exactly what's happening, or in this case, what's not happening. Let me go back to the tray and specifically emphasize the documentation you should follow for Keywords AI integration. It runs a while, and let's go back to check the logs. Great, it's better. We can see it's actually making API calls right now. But look at this. It's just sending raw user input without using our custom prompt. That's not what we want. So here's why when you are building LM applications, you need observability. Without it, you are just blind testing. So let me give Trae more specific feedback about using prompt IDs and the proper system prompts. I'll paste the Keywords AI documentation links here about using the prompts. Great, so you can see here Trae actually suggests the prompt we need to use and we can just paste it in the platform in Keywords AI. Let's copy the prompt ID and get back to the Trae IDE to update the code. Let's rerun this game and answer a few questions, and we can go back to our logging page, see what's actually happening. Perfect. Now we can see the full conversation history is being passed to the LM, and the proper prompt usage, everything looks good. Let's play through a quick game and test the full process of this game. It's getting stuck somehow at the end. We should probably go back to the logging page and check the logs for the last action. Oh, as you can see here, it's ending at question 19 instead of going to 20. Plus, I'm realizing these cheaper models probably need some more help. We should add categories to narrow down the scope for them. So this is one more round feedback to the tray. And we finally got this working. I'm thinking of an elephant, and I will choose the animal category to help the AI out. Great, it got the answers elephant with 95% confidence. Pretty smart with simple answers. And you can actually try this game yourself with this link. I also put this open source. You can find it in the GitHub. If you like it, please like and share. It's really important for me. So see you with my next projects.